students, today's our topic is solid states. First chapter, very short answer type questions. 4 are the most important in this chapter to gain gunshot 2 marks answers. Okay, let's start. What is Scotty defect? Scotty defect is a point defect which arises when an atom or ion is missing from its normal site. Scotty defect is a point defect arises from an atom or ion is missing from its normal site. What is missing here? Atom or ion is missing. From which side? Normal side. Yes. Next point is ionic crystals maintains electrically neutrality. Ionic crystals always maintains electrically neutrality. Okay, electrical neutrality. Next, hence number of vacancy at cations. Number of vacancy at cation site or equals to the number of vacancy at anion site. Number of vacancy of cations equals to number of vacancy of anions. This is the diagram. Here line wise A plus B minus A plus B minus. For this side and for this side draw a cube and A plus B minus A plus and B minus. B minus, this is cation, anion, cation, anion, cation, anion, cation, anion, anion, cation, anion, cation, cation, anion, like this. AB, A plus B minus A plus B minus, B minus A plus B minus, A plus B minus. This is repeating, first repeated to third and second is repeated to fourth. Here what missing? A plus is missing from the normal site. Here missing from its normal site means point defect which misses from normal site is cation vacancy. This is the anion vacancy. B minus. Minus shows anion and cation. Here examples is NaCl, Cl, CsCl and AgBr. Okay. Next, what is Franklin defect? Franklin defect is a point defect which arises when an atom or anion is missing from its normal site. Yeah, normal site. It is missing from its normal site and occupies the space of interstitial space in the lattice. This occupied space is the interstitial space. Occupied and occupies the interstitial space in the lattice. This is the interstitial space. Next, second point, in ionic crystals, usually cations escapes from its site and occupies the space of the anions because it is small size. Okay, in ionic crystals, cations escapes and occupies the interstitial site, anions, space among the anions because it is smaller. Examples AgBr and ZnS. Okay. Next, what is interstitial defect? Interstitial defect. The defect vacancy arises in crystal due to missing of a particle from its original lattice and occupies the interstitial site is known as interstitial defect. What are first F center? It is first interstitial defect means this is the interstitial site. And what is a defect? The defect vacancy arises in the crystal arises in crystal part due to the missing of a particle from original lattice, missing and occupies into the interstitial site. This is the defect which vacancy arised in this crystal due to the missing of a particle from its original lattice and occupies the interstitial site is called as interstitial defect. Okay. What are F center? What is meant by F center means the anion vacancy site occupied by unpaired electrons or F centers. Anion vacancy site occupied by unpaired electrons. Anion's vacancy site occupied taken from the unpaired electrons is called as F centers. F centers. Next, these are responsible for color and paramagnetic nature of the metal. What F center means? F center responsible for color and paramagnetic nature of a metal. Okay. Examples NaCl is yellow color and KCl is violet color. Okay, these are the very short of a solid states. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the, if you like and if you learned this anything from our class, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe our channel, and our videos, our classes are notifies you. Thank you for watching this video.